Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allah, most gracious, most merciful, peace be upon you and Allah's mercy and blessings. Good afternoon and warm greetings to all of us. Today, we are making a bit of history, even if it's a small one, but it is still history between the province of Aceh and the province of North Sumatra. So, hopefully this is already clear. There are no more issues based on the decision of the President and the Governor that the island has indeed been returned to Aceh. That's all of our dream. So hopefully going forward there won't be any more problems. There will be peace and harmony between Aceh province and North Sumatra province. And that's also for the people of Aceh. Thank you to our beloved President, Mr. Prabowo Subianto. Thank you to everyone. Hopefully there will be no more problems. May there be peace, harmony, and good neighborliness among all of us, and let us all safeguard the unitary state of the Republic of Indonesia. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.